Cry, baby, cry, baby. Look like Debo. Shut up, boy. What you talking about? Yeah, he got them eyes open. This is my son. I'm trying to hide it. You know we can see you, right? Go crazy. What's that you got? So I guess this supposed to be plastic with the ears. This thing satisfies a baby all needs. You can romp them. You can squeeze his stomach. You can play with his ears. You know what I'm saying? I don't think the head do nothing. Let me see. Yeah, the head don't do shit. I'm squeezing it. Yeah, it don't really do nothing. Hi. 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 How are you? You gonna beat him up? Getting that pamper change mine. What is it? What you want? You want some more milky? She changing your diaper. Cause you smell like shit. He changing you pamper cause you ain't trying to whack mine. Look, don't be trying to hit me. Hit my camera, dude. My wife.
It's my ring.
Like a ring.
My ring.
I lost it at the gym.
At the gym?
Yeah.
Are you trying to show off like you wasn't married or something?
Trying to show out like I wasn't married. You hear that, son?
I was married now.
Son. Mommy getting your clothes together. Oh shit. Oh, I thought he was good. Kick the start. Look at his ass. Start your engines. This nigga started his engine. You want your sister's green ball? Oh, slam dunk, he hit. Oh my god, he's gonna dunk it. Boom! Oh, look at him, He gonna be a little hooper, cuz. Look at him hold that ball. Look at him holding that rock. Not knowing how to shoot. What's up, boy? Oh, you done dropped the ball. He done fumbled. You can't go out like that. Like he trying to start his engine now. He ready to go. What's that? Noodle leg. You got your noodle leg. No. You got your noodle leg over there. So cool. He go cool. He go cool with that thing. That stuff old. Look, you even got brisk. That's an old bottle of brisk.
That's colloidal silver. It's a health thing. Where people have colds.
That shit look like brisk. Look at you.
My day for James.
I don't know what to clean up.
She
itching. What up, Afro Thunder? He down here like you forgot about me. Yo. Your bald spot look like Saturn. Come here. Mommy going to hell. She laughed. This shit look like it was on fire.
I like the crescent moon.
The crescent moon. Oh, you bogus. You not gonna play with your sister ball? She won inside the machine. Oh, slam dunk it. Your sister won that for that day at BW3s. Now what? What? You gotta get it. You can't get mad. He always trying to eat some shit.
No, don't move it down his mouth.
Hi. Hi there, pal. How you doing, little buddy? Yeah, what's your name? What a lovely name. Yeah. Do you want to come over? My place. My place. Hi.
This nigga be kicking. Look, see, he like that. He could be kicking. Look at him. Watch that. He's waiting on it. Hey, Pato, she got me a swim cap, Holmes. Simon. What's up, Hyman? What's up, man? Just watching that hot sauce make me hungry. Hot sauces. Them hot sauces. He said, oh, Patos, they building a wall, Holmes. They trying to keep me out. Hell yeah, we finna get you.
No, he's not trying to reach over there.
Put it next to him. Right there, yeah. Like, he try to move that shit to the side. Alright, baby Jane, we finna go eat. I gotta eat. Where the food at, man? Y'all, I bought all this stuff from my house. We stopped at the grocery store and she didn't even need it. We had food the whole time.
I need to put this in the crock pot.
That's your brother, ain't it? That's Noah.
Where?
That's Noah.
Right here. And I see it when he had dreads.
I see ya.
The oldest one when he had dreads.
This little box. Crazy, right? I could have did that just like this with a zip. On down the middle. Look at that. Down the middle. That quick. She's trying to use a big ass butcher knife. A lot of people pronounce that shit many ways. Gyro. What else? Hario. Say Mikero.
I think it's gyro.
Gyro. We about to eat some gyro. Some gyro. About to eat some gyro. Known as my gyro. Head back here with this little dude. I know he into something. What up with you, man? Looking like Lil T.I. What up, man? Look, I see you. I see you with the signs. I see you. VL. Okay, I see you over there. Throwing up signs already. Beat you, but you better stop. What? Oh, you want to throw up some more gang signs. Okay, I feel you. Yeah. What you doing? We up front eating. You ate already. Show. You got Chef Ye in the kitchen. Hey, she whipping it up. You know what I'm saying? Finna feed your mans. Finally getting it started. Had to unthaw the meat. Thick ass meat look like dog food.
Dog food.
Ooh, look at that. That shit look gold, crispy. Now she finna burn the kitchen down. What is all the crying about? Come on, man. Can we get a break? Okay. Somebody sleepy. You sleepy? Are you mad because you want to be on camera? Is that it? You want some attention? You want to be on camera? What? You want to be on camera? You want to have all these people looking at you? You trying to hit my camera now? You trying to hit my camera? My camera did nothing to you. My camera did nothing to you. There you go. Now you swimming in your toys. You cool? Yeah, a little bit. Somewhat. You get what? $3 months. Well, he 4 months now. 4-month-old baby. He know how to hold his own bottle. Ain't that right, little man? You died for that one. You died for that ball. You gotta grab it. Pick it up. You gotta pick it up. Use 2 hands. Use 2 hands. There you go. Pick it up. Come on, pick it up. Use 2 hands. No, you gotta use 2 hands. Pick it up. There you go. Give me some. No, give me some. Give me some. Okay, you don't want none. We'll get you 2 then. Yeah. Give me some. Back to the missus in here. Let me see what them things looking like. She burnt them, y'all. She burnt them. Yeah, she did. They look like steak and shake burgers.
Get off the kitchen.
These look like steak and shake burgers. All them holes in the meat and shit. Little one. I'm about to take the little one. I can't bring them by the stove. But I'm pretty sure they looking decent over there. Where mommy at? Trying to look. Where mommy at? Where mommy? Uh-oh, there's mommy. Hey. She cooking. She cooking that food. That's my queen. She got black power written all over her. Black power. Oh, let me stop. What that food looking like, man? I can't come over there because I got him. It's burnt. I bet it is. And he stay trying to grab the camera. Why you trying to grab something? Wait, who that baby right there? Eee, that's you right there. Let's take a walk down this hallway, bruh. I know she ain't coming. Mommy coming. She coming. She don't love you. Mommy coming. No. Yeah. She don't love you. Okay, we gone. You don't like where this going? Well, I don't want to carry you. I don't want to carry you no more, bro. You want to know why? Because you're too heavy. You're just too heavy. That too little. That only bones and sticks, man. You gonna play with this monkey slash elephant slash noodle string legs? Look, I told y'all this motherfucker do everything. Look. You got plastic in the ears. Keep the baby thinking what's next. Or what is that? Got these little fucking noodle legs. He got the balls and heads in the middle of it. Look at him. A beast. Uh-oh. Where did he go? Who did it? Yes. I'll get some better results here. She is now loading the bread in. Y'all, she gonna be the death of my lens to my camera. I think she gonna have to buy me another one.
I don't have any money.
She got some money.
Okay,
Give me my bank card back.
nope. You can't have a big card back.
Crybaby dude. I don't even know what them paintings mean. It's my favorite painting out of all of them. And back to this crybaby. What's up? You in here talking to yourself? Why you always cry more when you see me, huh? Huh? You want to cry even louder so somebody can show some sympathy for you. Huh? Is that what you want? Yeah, stop what you want. Stop what you want. Crazy. You crazy. Yeah, you crazy. You living a crazy life too. You living a crazy life. You look crazy. You know that, right? Your ass look cool. You gonna go cool? We gotta wait. Stop. You gotta stop and wait, okay? Runny nose. Runny. You got boogers in your nose. Boogers. What you kicking? You kicking me? Okay. Hey. You kicking me? Hey. Hey, you trying to grab my camera? You can't eat it. You can't eat that camera. Look at them eyes of yours. No. I made his and hers. Nah, I'll probably just eat one. Well, as you guys can see, Ye did her thing in the kitchen. Fried onions. That's what I smell like. Damn. Bogus. Let the whole world know I smell like some onions right now. I smell like onions. I ain't been in the tub 2 days.
Hey, don't tell them.
We got the onions going for the flavor. Oh my God, don't burn yourself. Oh shit. That's a big knife. Big ass knife. Oh, you had that thing under your pillow, don't you? Gotta watch women like you. Hiding things under your pillow. Baby James back there crying up a storm.
Where you get that from?
Cry baby. He get it from his mother. All these seasoning in one bag. We even got the buffalo hot sauce. You feel me? Damn, man. You know, black people throw that shit on anything, even if it ain't hot sauce. Got these onions over here, smelling rotund, smelling delicious, smelling delicious. Oh snaps, where all the meat go? Why yours ain't got no meat? Oh, you done burnt it? Oh, peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. Alright, I'm crying now. I know you wanna cry. It's starting to make my ass cry.
Who?
Starting to make my ass cry.
Your ass cry.
Yeah. That shit making my head. Girl, what is you grabbing now? All this goddamn salt. You don't even know what you getting. Look, she trying to make me a bon appetit. Ooh, she trying to do it. She trying to make. Yeah, I gotta eat. You don't even know my songs. What's one of my songs?
Like you just do.
What's my other song? I guess you don't even know it. Nigga, that's the second one. That's part 2 till I gotta eat. What you talking about? What's part 1? You don't even know part 1. What's part 1 till I gotta eat? I get that money, bitch, I gotta eat.
My eyes are watering. These lashes.
You got your lashes on. Looking all fleet and everything. Hold on, it's a little blur on that thing because you keep moving that little thing. Let them things go. Got the little nose ring. Looking like Tammy. You say you sleepy.
Yep.
But you eating.
Like throw up.
She said like throw up. Yeah, actually pretty, look pretty good. To be honest. I mean, it might not look like what's on the box right there. You know what I'm saying? But that motherfucker eatable. Look at you smashing. Must be delightful. My first bite. Here we go. I hope I like it.
I'm a critic, food critic looking ass boy. No. Should've mixed it.
Well, that was good. You just called me a food critic. What is that?
People that don't taste food.
Too happy, too excited. This shit fire.
Get some of the orange juice.
Well, you want some of this? You want me to say you some?
I'm supposed to try some of the buffalo sauce and your stuff on it. I should have cooked the meat with some buffalo sauce and see how it tastes. Nope. That little piece of juice you're trying to save. That little piece of juice you're trying to save.
What juice?
That.
Piece.
Little piece of
This
juice.
ain't no little piece. That's a whole lot.
It's not-
I drink slow.
No. It's a good thing. I got your dog shit.
Nah, I'll stick with this. This is way better, guys.
Yes, they do.
Arriba. I need a blunt.
I ate way more than you.
Hell no, I ate way more than you.
No. I ate way more than you.
My piece way smaller. Look
No.
at that. Look at yours. And look at mine. Yeah,
No, mine's is smaller.
mine's is smaller.
Mine's
I
is
got
smaller.
less bread. Look,
I
more
got less bread.
less bread. You got all that meat. Look at all that meat. Now look at that. No meat.
Shut the hell up.
I'm gonna eat that shit.
No.
I swear. Like, give me my shit. It's my shit. No,
Yeah.
it's my
So
shit.
people gonna be fighting over the
Over
kid.
shit. And they gonna be fighting over shit. Shit gonna be throwing everywhere.
So they gonna be throwing it at each other.
It's gonna be food shit. Cause they, whatever they ate is in the shit. So they gotta eat it again. Cause they shitted it out.
I'm good on that. I pass.
But y'all agree? Would y'all eat y'all own shit if that was the last thing on earth? Gotta leave a comment. Got to. That's the only way that you could live. Ain't gonna be no more food. And then some people gonna be like, well, how can I eat my own shit if it ain't no more food? That's because you ain't eating food. The shit that you eating, you think is food because your ass hungry.
No.
So when you see that shit and you can't find no more food,
I'd rather eat some
you're
leaves.
gonna eat some shit.
I'd rather eat some leaves.
Some leaves.
Yeah.
I'd rather eat shit.
No, I'd rather eat some leaves. or
Shit
some
got
bugs.
vitamins in it.
So,
Yeah,
leaves,
see, look.
Leaves can have vitamins in it.
No,
too.
no. The leaves got fucking bugs, spider webs. They got fucking brown holes in them. I don't know fucking leaves.
So you eating brown dookie?
Shit, it's shit. It
Dookie
came out of your body.
Toxic and toxicity in it.
But if it shitted out your ass, you should be able to eat that ass. Shit.
No, I'm cool. I'll pass on that. I'll eat leaves and bugs or something.
Bugs. Ugh.
Yep. I'll eat a grasshopper or something.
You gonna eat so many bugs that shit gonna smell like a bug sandwich and you don't eat it. So you ate all them bugs.
Well, once all the bugs gone that I ate, I'm just gonna eat the bug shit. Not eating no just regular dookie. So if your dookie was loose, you would eat it too?
Yep.
So you eat loose dookie? What's it gonna be?
Loose dookie is a milkshake. That's a smoothie. I would eat that shit. I mean, I drink. You can't even eat liquid shit. I drink that shit.
So what you gonna drink it with? You gonna find your straw?
Fuck a straw. I ain't looking for no straw.
So how you gonna drink it?
I'm gonna turn that shit upside down.
You dirty.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna slurp that shit. And that's gonna be actually shit. I'm gonna slurp that shit.
Alright, I'm done.
Napkin, please. Leave a comment, y'all. But y'all, that liquid shit, it would be a great smoothie. I'm telling you. If nothing was on earth, no food or nothing.
No, I disagree.
Y'all can even dare me in a prank or eat some shit, and I eat it. You dare me to eat some shit.
Yep. She want to say there. I'm just playing. I don't want you to eat no dookie.
Yeah, she want me to eat some shit, y'all.
No.
That's how she tried to buy me some dog food. That's worse than shit.
No.
My beard clean. I gotta cut this thing. It's hot on my lip.
Let's see. Irish beer, speak Irish.
Irish. Me some Irish ones.
It's a little bird.
Those titties was bouncing. Watch
see.
this.
No, do that. Boy. Supposed to go up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah, dude, they was going up. Look.
No.
Got it. I know how to do that shit.
No, you don't. Alright. Cut.
And we about to end this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. My hair all fucked up.
This page is going to consist of everything. Food, pranks, activities, and much more.
Tell them, baby.
So you guys subscribe, like, and yeah, and show some love on the channel.
Leave that. Don't forget to leave them comments either about that shit. I'm telling you. Y'all about to tell the truth too. Y'all rocking with Team Fresh or Team
Yay.
Team Ye. The Team Ye said she ain't with that shit.
I ain't rocking with it.
Team Fresh, I'ma eat that shit.
So if you're with Team Yay,
Leave a thumbs
up.
leave a thumbs down.
No, thumbs up. And A little description why you wouldn't.
Below them fucking comments. Make sure y'all vote.
Team Ye or Team Fresh?
Cause we gonna eat that shit, we gonna get it over with, and we gonna be full while they hungry.
So we just gonna we gonna eat leaves and bugs, right, y'all?
No.
Yeah.
Team Fresh gonna be fresh with a mouthful of shit. Tell
It
me.
ain't fresh.
It is.
It ain't fresh.
But like I said, man, yeah, like, comment, subscribe.